Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change global font and color in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now on top left you see menu bar. So click on it and then you see setting and then you see site setting. So again click on it. Now site setting open. Then you see design system. Then you see global color and global font. So click on global color and then you see system color, primary, secondary, text. So you can add color according to your requirement. Now click on primary and now we are going to add another color. Now you see color is changing. Again click on primary and then here you see color is changing now. Now you see green. So you can add color according to your requirement. Now paste and then click on update. Now you see your changes has been updated. Now go to design system again and then you see global font. So again click on it and now you see system font, primary, secondary, text. So click on pencil icon and then you see typography. Now you see font family. So you can select font family according to your requirement and then you see size, weight, transform, style, decoration. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on update. So in this way you can change global color and font in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.